Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to share a photo post with someone on the Instagram app using your PC, especially with the latest update that makes this process smoother than ever. Whether you want to share a stunning picture or a fun moment with a friend, it's quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the Microsoft Store or access Instagram through your web browser. Once you're logged in, navigate to your feed or search for the profile that has the photo you want to share. Next, find the exact photo post you want to send. It could be a photo from a friend, a brand you follow, or even your own post. Scroll through until you see the image you want to share. Now, look just below the photo. You'll see several icons like comment and share. Click on the share icon, which usually looks like a paper airplane. This icon is your gateway to sending the photo directly to someone. After clicking the share icon, a list of your Instagram contacts will pop up. You can scroll through or use the search bar to find the person or group you want to send the photo to. Once you've selected the recipient, simply click the send button. And that's it. The photo post will be sent instantly to the chosen recipient's Instagram direct messages. They'll be able to view it and respond if they want to. This feature is perfect for sharing moments privately without having to repost or tag someone publicly. Sharing photos on Instagram from your PC is now as straightforward as on your phone, thanks to the new update. It keeps your conversations flowing and makes sharing content with friends and family effortless. Try it out yourself and enjoy sharing your favorite posts with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips on using Instagram and other social media platforms.